Shubor nakaslem jong Shongsaiñ Hima.
Ka menteri katanat ka kot ka khia ka jala ka Dr. Maisel Ampareen lingdo haba jubab halor ka jingkeli ha ka bede ba ka jingtmu jong ka we ka seng ban penlong ya ka yatra ban khang bam dok masi kalaong ba kamdei maka ban jubab ya ka ne hendrai kala kentu ban wat ya ka jubab na ka deputy commissioner jong ka district namar dei maka ka brio ka balak ban ai ya ka ni ka jubab habe kran bat kilat pathai ko bor menta ka sngi ka khat nyo tarik nai lur na ka leng ka kong Ampareen kalaong kumbala jukran nakapor baga jala Meghalaya ka jala ka badan ka jing Shongsuk Shongsaiñ ka badan ka jong ka Riti ka Dustur kumba ka penlong ya ki brio jong ka jala haba kilet Kiwei pat ki jala jong ka ri ki Burom ya ka jing sngo ka jinget jong ki kumta na kalyang ka menteri ru ka kentu ya Kiwei ru haba ki wan sha Meghalaya kimdei ban penthut ya ka Riti ka Dustur bat ka rukom persyang jong ki brio ka Meghalaya kalau ong ru ba Kiwei kila bandan ki jingmut babun hendai lada ka deipat ka bakta ya ka Shongsuk Shongsaiñ badru ka bapenmong ka jingsngo upat ba kum ka sarkar ka nomailat ik bakum kini ka jingmut pharya san perthei na kalyang ka menteri sarkar kala kentu ya ka kenhuan ka bathmu ban penlong ya ka yatra bakan Burom ya ka Riti ka Dustur jong Kiwei bat ban Pynneh ya ka jingas ngot ho hapo kari.
I am not the competent authority to reply to that question. Number one, the DC will be the correct authority. You will kindly meet the DC for that reply. My opinion on this, I have said and I repeat myself. Meghalaya is a peaceful state. We have our own culture, we have our own customs. Just as much as us traveling to another state makes us respect those sentiments of the state we are traveling to, we request others also not to disturb our culture, our practice, our tradition. You may have an opinion about something, but if it is going to be creating unrest, then I feel you have no business doing it. And we have laws, and I feel that the law will prevail, and we cannot allow these political dramas to upset the peace of the people of the state of Meghalaya. I am not the competent authority to respond to that question, but I appeal to all concerned. Kindly respect customs and practices of all people of India. Do not enforce a ban on something or propagate something which is not suitable in the boundaries of my state. It is just an appeal, and I request that we maintain this respect, which is mutual in nature, so that India remains to be the vibrant democracy that it always was and will continue to be. I have no idea. I will not engage in gossip. I have no idea about any sources of information of that nature. However, I am concerned because you're coming as a guest to my state. You're trying to propagate something which is hurting the sentiments of the people. We should refrain from this and respect the democracy of this great nation. Look, we have all kinds of seasons all the time. Yesterday, Eid was celebrated in my state with all necessary um, participation. Tomorrow is Unitarian Day. Day after will be another day. The day after that will be another day. We are a state which is sensitive to other people's faith and belief. I believe that anybody trying to upset this peace that we have in my state have to be taken to task. And I'm sure that there are laws prevailing that will ensure that good sense prevails.